Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up custom tool profiles in Bobcad. And this is great if you have a tool that's got a specific shape for a feature, that's not just a flat end mill or a ball nose end mill. So this tool has its two 45-degree angles. I've already got it sketched up. So a couple things to know here is it's got to be in this quadrant over here, quadrant 1, and I think if you draw it anywhere else it'll throw a message and it doesn't accept it basically, so it has to be over here. For the diameter of the tool, you basically want to draw it to where it'll do essentially like a spun around this axis. It'll revolve around the Y to generate the diameter, and you want it to be, I think I'm like maybe a half thou off this axis, but you want it to be there, so it's going to spin around the Y for diameter. It's going to sit along the X for the heights of the tool, essentially. Dotted lines will be essentially representing the shank of the tool, and I'll show you where to set that up. CAM defaults, you right click on that and go to Tool Library. This one's already set up, and you can make a tool anywhere. It's under end mill rough for me, so I'm going to modify, and I'll show you if you were to add it. So this one's already got geometry selected. Right here it'll usually say, if you're starting a new one, it's going to say assign geometry, which I'll show you. So this is what it looks like once it's assigned. So again, that dotted line's representing the shank, and then the solid is the tool part, the cutting edge, whatever you want to say. So if you go to add, again, this is going to be your default, the screen you see when you open that, assign tool geometry. I'm going to select that, right click OK. So again, that's basically what you just saw a second ago. I'm going to clear that out. So I already have just a very basic tool path, just a profile path along that line right there, just to show you. So if I go in here now, and of course you can see all of this when I do backplot or if I do the actual simulation, which is really helpful to have everything in the CAM software to match and be true to what you're actually running on the machine. So let me show you this, the simulation part. I haven't done it a whole lot, but like I said, when you're doing a tool that's not your standard tool, it's nice to actually put it in here, and it's super easy. If you know the geometry of the tool, then it's not like it's a hard process. I mean, I'm basically covering it in this video. But again, something I just made very generic, but it's really helpful to see it on this side opposed to just essentially lying to the software and making something fit that's just not gonna show in the simulation just because you fudge in some numbers and make it work. So I hope this helps you. I know it's been helpful to me in the few situations where I've done something kind of unique, but let me know if you have any questions on how I got here, or if you're having any issues with it, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.